Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best car cleaning products on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Amazon Basics 12-pack microfiber clothes. This is certainly not the most expensive item on this list and, by themselves, they have limited value. Nevertheless, no self-respecting gearhead should be without a gross of these colorful microfiber towels. It's true they'll tackle any cleaning task with gusto, usually accompanied by some sort of spray product. After they get dirty, simply pop them in the washer. Even by themselves, however, these towels are worth their weight in armor. Quickly brushing them over a carpeted floor mat loosens and removes minor dirt and small stones, perfect for those fast fixes when you're picking up the significant other but didn't have time to break out the vacuum before leaving the house. They're also ideal for a quick flick over the dashboard to scoot away all that dust. How can we confidently assert these claims? Because I have this exact set in my car cleaning arsenal. Pro tip: keep 10 at home and toss 2 in the glove box. Pros: inexpensive, infinitely useful, tremendous value. Cons: you'll want to buy more. Number 2. Our second best pick is Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Foaming Car Wash Soap. This product ranks highly on our list because it's the same soap I am using on my mirror finish Dodge Challenger. Yes, I know there's a good bit of marketing push put into the Mr. Pink soap. Its catchy name sounds a lot better than Mac Suds too. But this stuff creates lots of foam, sticks to the car during a wash, and rinses cleanly. Start with the 16-ounce size if you're skeptical. Even that amount will last a decent length of time, thanks to instructions that direct a single capful of the stuff per gallon of water. This product is good for use in either those fancy foam cannons or using the simple 2-bucket method of hand washing. Pros: leaves a very clean car, smells great. Cons: you'll want to buy more. Number 3. Our third best pick is Viking Car Care Bucket Insert Grit Trap. You're familiar with the 2-bucket wash method, right? That's the one where the detailer uses one bucket in which to dip a soapy wash mitt and another for rinsing purposes. This, in theory, prevents dirt and crud you've just cleaned off your vehicle from returning to the very mitt you're about to apply onto your car's paintwork. But what if you only have one bucket? Then picking up this gadget is a good idea. A dirt trap like the one shown here goes inserted into one's car wash bucket, a few inches from its bottom. The reasoning is, logically, that dirt is heavier than water, so any grime entering the soapy wash water from rinsing a mitt will sink to the bottom and get trapped by this insert. Pros: not expensive, takes up a lot less space than 2 buckets. Cons: the dirt is technically still in the wash bucket. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is PowerBrush Drill Attachment Set. These are definitely reserved for your car's wheels, and your car's wheels only, unless you like introducing a maze of swirl marks onto a vehicle's formerly pristine paint. These stiff bristled power scrubbers are designed to clean wheels and rims only. Okay, you can press them into service for cleaning the sidewalls of the aggressive KO2 tires on your Brodozer if you must. This product comes with 4 different brush heads of varying size and function, ranging from an enormous 5-inch diameter donut intended for lifting off hardened deposits such as the crud left over after a day wheeling in the desert. A cone-shaped brush gets into wheel spokes while a tiny 2-inch brush takes care of detail work. Pros: will clean wheels and tires faster than any human, including 4 different brush heads. Cons: drill does not include your dingus. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Meguiar's Mirror Glaze. This brand is familiar to anyone who's ever been near a collector car show or the old Spike TV power block of weekend programming. Its intent is to simply restore a deep shine to the car's paint. Think of the wet look that's prized by some gearheads. At just 16 fluid ounces, this isn't the biggest bottle of polish in the world but should be more than enough to get you and your car through the summer. The label says it's safe on all painted surfaces and, most importantly, does not dry white, a common carp about other wax and polish products. Pros: solid name, great reviews from 1,500 plus buyers. Cons: small-ish bottle. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.